We're going to be removing the stock stereo from this 1997 Dodge Viper. What I have here is a plastic trim removal tool that I got from Harbor Freight Tools. First thing we need to do is pull this plastic panel off. What you're doing is feeling for the clips. Okay, there goes one. This side is the same. There should be one about right here. Yep. Then maybe we can get one right over here. Yep. The last thing I want to do is break something here. So gentle is the name of the game. There we go. I'm turning this knob to the left because this panel was starting to hit the bottom of this when I had it sticking straight up and down, and I'll turn this one this way. This switch can be like that, and then this should just come right off. This and this are all one piece. So I'm gonna yank my emergency brake up. I think I'll just take this this ashtray out. Okay, there we go. You can't do this job without applying a little bit of force. But again, I'm being very careful not to break anything. There we go. Something came loose. Oh, here we go. We're coming out. There's a power wire to the cigarette lighter. Okay, that unplugs like that. And then we have the window up and down switches and a defrost switch. I'm going to try to get those off. Okay, this one goes by pushing this tab right here where my thumb is. He released easily. And this one, just want to get it where people can see it. There's some tabs on the outside, and this is 2021, and this is stuff from 1997. It's old, and it would probably be very easy to break it. Okay, I guess this connector wants to play. He's willing to come off if I'm nice to him. Ah, we're free. With the benefit of being able to look at the back side of the panel, 2 attachment points up high, 2 on the sides of the climate controls, and 2 right down the middle between the ashtray and the shifter. And then you have connections here and here for the cigarette lighter, here for the defrost connector, and here for the windows. The next thing that we need to do to remove the stereo from a 97 Viper is take our number 2 Phillips screwdriver and undo a couple screws, 1 on each side of the stereo. And I'm sure you'll be much happier if you don't drop that screw down behind the dash. Okay, I'm going to try to pull out the stereo. Here it comes. I've seen this before. Yes, this has happened before, and I've had it repaired before. Okay, so the antenna disconnects just with a simple pull. This is, I'm not sure what these connectors are called, but the round connector just pulls out. There's no locking mechanism. And then this white plastic connector has a tab that you push, and then you can pull it out of the radio. And that's it. My radio is free of the Viper. Let's see. Two screws undone. That stereo surround comes off. There it is. If you're going to be sending this thing off, there's no need to include these mounting tabs, so I'm going to take them off too. Okay, and they are stamped L for the left side as you face the radio. Okay, so L would be the one that ends up on the driver's side, and the other one is correctly marked R. So that would be the one that ends up on the passenger side or is on the right as you face the stereo. Alpine stereo, 97 Viper original equipment, and this is what the back looks like. This is for the antenna, this is for that round connector, and that's for the white plastic connector.